Think your minimum payment covers everything? Think again. I used to work in credit card customer service, and what I'm about to tell you could save you hundreds, even thousands. Hey, I'm Chloe, and I've spent years behind the phones helping people who were drowning in debt and didn't even know why. Most of them, they only paid the minimum. Let me explain why that's a dangerous trap and how you can avoid it. Let's break it down. When you see that minimum payment on your statement, usually something like $25, $35, or 2% of your balance, it sounds doable, right? But here's the truth. It barely covers interest. It doesn't touch your real debt, and it keeps you paying for years. I've taken thousands of calls. People are confused, some are even crying. Why isn't my balance going down? Here's the truth. Banks profit when you only pay the minimum, and most people, they don't find out until it's too late. Now, let me give you some credit card hacks and the why you need these. Think of it like this. Minimum payments are designed to keep you paying forever. By adding even just $50 extra, you directly attack your principal balance. This means less interest paid over time, potentially saving you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Plus, you'll be debt-free way faster, freeing up your money for things you actually want to do. This is your ultimate protection. Setting up autopay means zero late fees ever. No more accidental forgetfulness costing you $25 to $40 a pop. Even more crucial, it protects your credit score. Your payment history is the biggest factor, so on-time payments from autopay mean a strong score, leading to better rates on future loans like cars or homes. It's instant peace of mind. Next is avalanche your debt. This is the smartest way to pay off multiple cards. By focusing on the card with the highest interest rate first, you're stopping the bleeding from your most expensive debt. It's like plugging the biggest hole in a sinking ship. This method guarantees you'll pay the absolute least amount in interest overall, saving you significant money compared to other strategies and getting you to zero debt faster. When used wisely, credit cards are powerful assets. They help you build a strong credit history, essential for things like renting an apartment, getting a mortgage, or even some jobs. You can also earn valuable rewards like cashback or travel points, essentially getting paid to spend on things you'd buy anyway, as long as you pay your balance in full every month. The huge benefit here is using them for convenience and benefits without ever paying a single cent in interest or falling into the debt trap. You don't need to be rich to win with money, you just need the right information. And now that you know this, you're already ahead of the game. Comment below. Have you been stuck paying the minimum? Let's talk it out. And don't forget to subscribe for more credit card truth bombs, budgeting hacks, and debt-free tips. See you on the next video.